Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss about the exercise questions and question answers of chapter 9, the Mughal Empire. Let's start with the question answers. Answer the following questions. Who were the Mughals? Why were they so called? The dynasty which ruled India after the Delhi Sultanate was called the Mughals. They were called Mughals because of their Mongol ancestry. What was the reason of Babur's success in the first battle of Panipat? Following are the reasons of Babur's success in the first battle of Panipat. 3 points are there, can be asked as a 3-mark question. First point, Babur was a better military general and diplomat than Ibrahim Lodi. 2. Babur's army was better disciplined than Ibrahim Lodi's army. Third, Babur used a skilled combination of artillery and cavalry against his enemies. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 3. What were the problems faced by Humayun when he ascended the throne? Humayun was surrounded by enemies from all sides. His enemies were Sher Khan, the Afghan leader, Bahadur Shah of Gujarat, his own brothers Kamran, Hindal and Askari. Next question. Who was Sher Shah? Why was he given the title of Sher Khan? Sher Shah was the son of Hasan Khan, a Jagirdar of Sasaram in Bihar. He was given the title of Sher Khan when he killed a lion single-handedly. Question number 5. Briefly describe Sher Shah's revenue reform. Revenue reforms of Sher Shah. 3 points. He got the land measured and fixed the land revenue at 1/3 of the produce as tax. The peasants were given the option to pay the land tax either in cash or in kind. Suitable relief measures were taken to help the farmers during drought and famine. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 6. Explain the welfare measures introduced by Sher Shah. Welfare measures of Sher Shah. He built a network of routes to encourage trade and to carry on administration. He built sarais for travelers. He set up charitable hospitals and dispensaries. So these are the 3 points which you can write as a welfare measure of Sher Shah. Next question, it's a picture study. You can see the picture here. We'll start with identify the building in the picture. It is tomb of Sher Shah. Where is it located? It is located at Sasaram in Bihar. The second question is, was the person associated with this building a Mughal? Which dynasty rule was established by him in India? Answer. He was not belonged to Mughal dynasty. He established Suri dynasty. It was built by Sher Shah. So it is Suri dynasty. Now the third question. Mention any 3 characteristic features of his reign. Characteristic features. First one, his administration was based on the principles of welfare state. He introduced so many reforms in revenue and in military. Third, he built a number of roads to encourage trade. Now the next question. Why is he known as forerunner of Akbar? He is regarded as the forerunner of Akbar because Akbar adopted many of his practices with a few change. Now let's see some fill-up questions. Babur was a descendant of Genghis Khan, the Mongol leader. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi at the First Battle of Panipat in 1526. Babur's autobiography is written in Turkish language. Humayun recaptured Delhi after a gap of 15 years. Sher Shah introduced the silver coin called rupiah. So these are some fill-up questions which is given at the back side of the textbook, and more questions are given along with the classes, that also you can learn. Now name the following. Two famous battles fought by Babur in India. First, Battle of Panipat, Battle of Khagra. Two languages in which Babur had mastery, Persian, Turkish. Two roads built by Sher Shah, Grand Trunk Road, road from Agra to Burhanpur. Many other roads are also there, you can write any two. Two officers in the village during Sher Shah's reign, Patwari, Chaukidar. Two famous buildings constructed by Sher Shah, Sher Mandal, Rohtas Fort. So these are some, name the following questions. Now let's see the match the following. It's matched. Babur buried in Kabul, Sher Shah Farid Khan, Faujdar in charge of army unit, Mohras gold coin, Battle of Khanba Babur, and Rana Sangha of Chittor. So that is all about our exercise of chapter 9. So you can write it and you can learn. Thank you.